Understanding the expression, I'm thunderstruck. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating English expression, I'm thunderstruck. This phrase is not just about weather, but it's a powerful way to express feelings. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it thoroughly. I'm thunderstruck is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state of being extremely surprised, shocked, or amazed. The word thunderstruck is quite visual and dramatic. It conjures up the image of someone being so surprised that it's as if they've been struck by a bolt of lightning or a loud clap of thunder. It's often used to express a reaction to something unexpected or overwhelming. The term thunderstruck comes from the powerful natural phenomenon of thunder and lightning. Historically, thunder and lightning have been symbols of sudden and overwhelming power. This phrase taps into that imagery to express a human emotional experience that is just as sudden and powerful. It's a metaphorical way to describe the shock that can hit you like a storm, out of the blue. Using I'm thunderstruck in a sentence is straightforward. It's typically used to express a personal feeling in reaction to something. Here are a few examples. 1. I was thunderstruck when I heard that I had won the lottery. 2. She was thunderstruck by the surprise birthday party her friends had organized. 3. The audience was thunderstruck by the singer's powerful performance. Notice that it's often used in the past tense, as people usually talk about a moment of surprise after it has happened. While I'm thunderstruck is a vivid and descriptive phrase, there are other variations and synonyms that can be used to express a similar feeling. Some of these include astonished, flabbergasted, stunned, aghast. These words can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the intensity of the surprise you want to convey. I'm thunderstruck is a powerful and expressive phrase in the English language, perfect for describing moments of sheer surprise or amazement. It's a phrase that packs a punch, much like the sudden and powerful nature of thunder and lightning. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the vivid pictures they paint. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.